And sometimes I wonder why manufacturers don't send me molly panels or snorkels or red painted D-rings for review. I am fortunate that manufacturers will send me LED lights. I got another one, and this one is going to be very interesting. This is from the elesall store on Amazon. They requested me to do a professional opinion and review on this. And the link, as you know, will always be in the description. Now, if you're a manufacturer of cool shit and you want me to do a review, go to the About page on my channel, and my email address is there. You can email me for collaboration. So what we got here is a rechargeable, collapsible lantern, LED. Inside the box, you will find a USB-C charging cable and a little piece of paper, which you do not need. This is the light. Look at it and the size of it, and you will see it's considerably bigger than normal camp lights. This got a carabiner for a hook, so you can hang this direction at a camp. Many times I'll get a rope and tie around there and throw the rope up over a tree and tie it down to get this elevated for good, nice, soft lighting. On this side over here, it's got another little hole, and I've already installed my own little beaner because you can hang it this way. Now check this out. It expands. Check that out. That expands. This is a big old silicone diffuser. Everything up here, I believe, is going to be waterproof to resistant. Like all of the LED camp lights that you can get today have two ports. One for charging this, and one where you can use this as a charger for your other electronics. Cell phone, your other lights, or whatever. This thing's got a pretty good heft to it, so I think there's a quantity of batteries in here. I know you want me to turn it on, but I've already turned it on, and I really want to wait for it to get completely dark so you can get the full effect of it. This is going to be my new go-to daylighter. Light up the world. This light came completely discharged. It took 8 hours to get a full charge on this. There's a red LED right here. It blinks while it's charging, and when it goes solid, it is fully charged. No bars to let you know 1, 2, or 3. It's either charged or charging. So you need to plan that accordingly. I am going to time this tonight after we shoot the rest of this video and see how long it takes for this light to discharge. All right, watch this. This is with that big old circle light there, an overhead light. High, medium, low, and then here is what's cool. I guess I could go ahead and show you this a little bit. It's got a very warm, soft light. Granted, I've got a room full of light, but you're gonna see that all once we go completely dark. All right, it's dark, it's after sunset, and here we go. Put on your sunglasses. This thing is super bright. That's high, medium, low, warm. This is going to be nice. I will use this a lot around a campsite. This has good light. It'll hang good. It's soft. It's pleasant. It's not real glaring. Now, boom. Jesus. That is crazy. Even like that, that is crazy bright. I mean, it's not even safe to be standing near it. Let me back up a little bit and just show you the room here. Medium, still too bright for me. Low, Depending on what you're doing, that might work. That I like. Okay, that is low. That is warm. Okay, low. I can see a way or a use around a campsite like this. You're just sitting around having a drink, you know, looking at the stars or whatever, and you don't want a lot of light, but you want to be able to see what's on the table. You could even, I guess, pull that out one and have a light like that. A lot of flexibility. Okay, full bright. You know where this would be good for? If you're a search and rescue team and you need to light up a big, bright area. If you're doing construction on the side of the road or on a construction site at night, man, this would be great. It's gonna light up the whole field. This will light up an acre easily. Here's where this would really be good. If your little league team, lights go out because you're playing extra innings and the lights are on a timer, this will light up the field and you can finish the game. Ooh, look at that. That's kind of cool. Okay, so here we start the light degradation at 501, and it goes pretty solid with very little degradation of the light for 2 3/4 hours, and then it just flat out shuts out. No notice. Pretty cool light. I don't know if this is going to be for everybody. I hope I'm not camped next to you and you have one of these. That's all I can say.